All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into why Apple has been hogging the headlines today. If you thought their news cycle was dominated by Siri gossip, think again. It's a cocktail of market dynamics, competition jitters, iPhone sales drama, tariffs tension, and a whole lot of AI aspirations. So grab your virtual popcorn because here we go. First up, Apple's market cap melodrama, currently sitting pretty at a staggering $3.4 trillion. But some analysts are betting against Apple's reign, forecasting Apple will lose its market cap crown in 2025. Why? Well, it's like watching a blockbuster sequel where the protagonist wavers. Revenue growth has lagged behind the golden years. Cue the somber violin. For nearly 12 straight quarters, Apple's growth track has been on the decline, flirting with inflation rates. However, their services pivot and juicy business margins might turn the tide if the storyline gets a much-needed AI boost. Speaking of boosts, Apple's swanky transition into AI has been trickling into their device ecosystem. Enter Apple Intelligence. Unfortunately, the rollout has been slower than a turtle at a racing car convention. Supported mainly on the newer iPhone 16 and top-of-the-line iPads and MacBooks, the gradual integration of AI is turning heads, but needs more runway to convince the average Joe. Tim Cook's magic word is AI, touting that where Apple Intelligence took hold, sales of the iPhone 16 were stronger, proving that AI could be more than a flashy tech buzzword. But wait, that's not all. Apple's fiscal year is off to a shaky start, with iPhone sales slacking 1%, thanks to fierce competition and maybe some lemonade sales tactics gone awry. The program may be faltering on home turf, but yield signs around Chinese tariffs have set the street on high alert. Recent commitments on tariffs might slap even more tension onto Apple's operations, already being affected by shaky iPhone sales in China. Fear not, Cupertino's got some fancy footwork lined up with supply chain diversification efforts. Taking cue from their historical renown, they're shifting some manufacturing beyond China to places like Vietnam and India, hoping to dodge the tariff tensions just in the nick of time. So to wrap up, Apple's headlines are a wild blend of AI dreams, fiscal turbulence, market expectations, and political chess. With their future resting on beefing up services and AI offerings while diversifying production chains, everyone's holding their breath to see if the $307 potential stock price in 2027 materializes. The Apple saga is anything but dull, so gear up, tech fans, the ride has just begun. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.